So 2015, paper 2, question 3, part C. You're told that the point P, which is 10K, lies on the bisector of the angle between the line L1 and L2. So there's the bisector, so the point P, we'll just put it here, and that is 10K. And you're asked to find the possible values of K. So from looking at the point P there, the perpendicular distance from P to each of the lines will be equal. From P to each of the lines will be equal. Now, already in part B, the perpendicular distance between P and L1 has been found. So we know that that distance there is the absolute value of 18 minus 4K all over 5. So next step now would be to find the perpendicular distance between P and L2. Because we know that the perpendicular distance are equal, so therefore when we find the two values we let them equal and solve. So P is 10K and it's x1, y1, and L2 is 5x plus 12y minus 20 equals to 0, so that's A, B and C. So the perpendicular distance is the absolute value of 5 by 10 plus 12 by k minus 20 all over the square root of 5 squared plus 12 squared. And that reduces down to the absolute value of 30 plus 12k all over the square root of 169, which is 13. Now, so the perpendicular distances are equal, so therefore the absolute value of 18 minus 4k all over 5 is equal to the absolute value of 30 plus 12k all over 13. So to square both sides, if you want, or you know that the bottom is positive, so quicker and an easier way to do this rather than squaring, because it gets quite difficult, is to you can multiply across by the 13 first of all is 18 minus 4k, and multiply across by the 5 is 30 plus 12k, and to avoid having to square it, you can write it as 13 into the absolute, or 13 into, you get rid of the absolute of minus 4k, is equal to plus or minus 5 into 30 plus 12k. It's an alternative using the plus or minus to squaring. So when you multiply that out, you get 234 minus 52k is equal to plus or minus 150 plus 60k. So that there is, so taking the plus version, 234 minus 52k is equal to 150 plus 60k. So 234 minus 150 is equal to 60k plus 52k. So it's 84 is equal to 112k. And that works out as 3/4 is equal to k. And then taking the negative version, you take, so it's 234 minus 52k, and it's minus into 150 plus 60k, and when you multiply that out you'll end up with 8k is equal to minus 384 and k is equal to minus 48. So they are your possible values of k, 3/4 and minus 48.